Good day, and thank you for once again joining us here at GoodTech Academy. Today we're going to be talking about some more of those awesome features that are included in Windows 10 computer operating systems. We're going to be discussing, more importantly, ease of access. How you can make your computer easier to use for those of us who might have some type of disability, or if you just want to make it easier to use for certain purposes. Let's go. So ease of access has multiple ways that you can access it. The first one being to type here in search, where you can come here and just easily type ease. And you get all your different settings here that you can click on and then go to. The official way though is to come to your start menu, settings, and then once it loads, over here on the right hand side is ease of access. Now that we're here at ease of access, we see that there are quite a few selections of settings that you can affect here on the left hand side. So under vision alone, we have display, which will allow you to change text, making it bigger, making everything bigger, making everything brighter should you need to be brightness, getting rid of certain things as animations and transparencies. Your cursor and pointer. Your cursor and pointer is one of the ones that I use quite a bit while I'm teaching here at GoodTech Academy, making my cursor bigger or even changing it to where what it is currently, which is black, so that way it is easier for me to see on the screen. You can even change it to a different color altogether. Changing your cursor thickness will allow you to change that blinking eye beam to make it thicker should you have trouble with keeping up with it. Magnifier. This will allow you to magnify and zoom in on parts of your display. It even gives you settings on how much of a magnification do you want it to have and some other cool magnification view settings. Your color filters. This is very easy for applying color filter to your screen so that if you do have some type of visual impairment such as being colorblind, you can do something along the lines of putting it into grayscale inverted, or even just doing red and green or blue and yellow colorblind filters. High contrast mode. This can make text in apps easier to see by using more distinct colors. The way that it looks is just like this. As you can see, everything kind of fades away and it's very basic, almost old school Norton Commander kind of setup, where it's very minimal in the colors, but does make everything a little bit more pronounced. Me, personally, I prefer just the way it is. Narrator. Narrator allows it to do screen reading so that if you are, for instance, visually impaired to the point where you do have trouble with seeing what's on the screen, narrator mode can narrate what's on the screen and let you know. So now here under the hearings part of it, we have our audio, which can change your device volume or even turn it from stereo to mono, adding alerts for certain things. Or if you need closed caption settings, there's a long list of closed caption settings that you can put into effect. Interaction. You have all your interactions with how you can interact with the computer, such as speech, which will allow your device easier to use if you have limited reach or strength. So you can use things kind of like Cortana and voice recognition to access the computer. You have your keyboard settings, which allow you to do such things as in turning on sticky keys in case you have issues where your hands may shake and you may bump the button 1 or 2 times. You can turn those on here. Your mouse settings, which allow you to, do things such as controlling your mouse with your keypad instead of using the mouse. And then eye control. This is a really awesome technology that does eye tracking technology to let you control the mouse using the camera that you may have on either your laptop or maybe a webcam that's hooked up to your computer. So these are all very helpful settings, very helpful things that Windows 10 does allow you to do to this computer's operating system to help you have that ease of access to make it easier to use for anybody who may have any type of impairment. So there it is. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about what you may have just saw here on the screen, you can feel free to contact me at adam.slater@goodwilletx.com, or you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestions about future videos that you would like to see us do, please feel free to leave a comment down below or message us and let us know. We are going to keep putting these videos out for y'all. We hope to see you again. Have a good day.